Hi, my name is Beth and I'm the sewing pattern designer and blogger at Sew DIY. Today I am so excited to announce the release of the Lela skirt. This is one of my favorite patterns, especially for summertime. It's so comfortable to wear and it feels a little bit fancier than wearing shorts, but it's like just as comfortable as wearing shorts. This is actually a revamp of an existing pattern. So it used to be called the baseball skirt, and I've renamed it and I've added 2 additional views and an additional length. So I'm really excited to share these with you. Let's take a look at the different views. So every view of the Lela skirt has an elasticized waistband and a drawstring. View A is most similar to the original baseball skirt with inseam pockets and a gently curved hem. View B features angled pockets and an exaggerated curved hem. So in comparison to View A, View B is shaped more like a U or a V at the hem. And last but not least, here is View C in a knee length. View C features curved scoop pockets and a straight split hem. So you can mix and match the 3 different hem styles with the 3 different pocket styles for I think a total of 18 different designs. So it's really flexible and it makes it really fun. So this pattern is available in 17 sizes. It matches the sizing of my new revamped Lou box top. And it's available from 0 to 32, and that is a 32-inch to a 58-inch hip measurement. And I'll put centimeter conversion in here. So the most important thing when you are selecting your size is going to be your hip measurement. And the only exception for this is if your waist measurement is bigger than your hip measurement. And I don't mean your waist falls into a different size. I mean if your waist is bigger than your hips. So for example, if your hips are 38 inches and your waist is 40 inches, then I recommend that you select your size based on your waist. But usually we will select the size based on the hips, and there is 6 inches of ease built into the pattern, and there's that much through the hips and the waist. So even if your waist measurement is a couple sizes bigger than your hip measurement, then you really should be fine making the size that goes with your hip measurement. So I just recommend that you look at the 6 inches of ease and decide for yourself if that's going to be enough for you. You may decide that that's too much and you want to go a little bit smaller, or you might want to go up a little more if you like to have extra breathing room. I also recommend that you measure yourself standing up and sitting down because our bodies can change in those different positions, and take that into consideration when you're thinking about how much ease you want to have in your skirt. So for fabrics, I really love to make this skirt in a linen or a chambray, something that's really breathable and really comfortable for the summer months. Because this is really just my favorite thing to wear in the summer because it's a little bit dressier than shorts, but it's still super comfortable because of the elastic waist. Plus the side slits give you a little bit of a breeze as you're walking around. So linen and chambray or like cotton are really great. You can also use a rayon crepe or a rayon, something that's gonna have a lot of drape. The only thing to watch out for is like you might not want to use a denim because it'll be really heavy and kind of stiff when you try to gather it with the elastic. And that might just be uncomfortable. So think about fabric that's going to be comfortable when you gather it with elastic. And the other thing to think about is making sure that the fabric is not see-through. Unless that's what you're going for, then just go ahead and do it because you know what you want. That's totally cool. Let's see. The other thing, this pattern costs $12. It's a PDF pattern. The baseball skirt cost $7.50, and that was because it was just one view. But now that it's expanded to 3 different views, the price is going to go up to my standard price of $12. And you can get the pattern in the shop, and I will put a link below to that. You should also make sure to subscribe to the channel because I will be doing some more videos over the coming weeks that will help you sew the skirt. So I'm going to be covering the how to sew the elastic waistband and how to sew the curved hem. Otherwise, the skirt is pretty straightforward to sew. I would totally recommend it for a beginner. It's really quick and fun and easy, so it's perfect if you only have a little bit of time and you're just like wanting to make something for summertime. Well, I think that's all that I have to tell you about this skirt. I can't wait for you to try it out. So make sure to check out the links below and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy sewing!